Hi guys. Sorry. So I was making, sorry I haven't been making videos about that crafting thing. Anyways, it's been the sofa I've made, like this, and this table. This is supposed to look like wood. See, and another little sofa for one person, and some curtain, and like a mirror over here. And this is like kind of cool. Like a plant, and a frame, picture frame with plants. And this is like a plant, and there's like big diamonds over here. And the entrance looks like this, and the whole place looks like this. And the entrance, this is supposed to be clear glass. This is plastic, and it's supposed to look like clear glass. And you can open it like this, see? And you can just come, your doll can actually just come in like this. Maybe like close it. That's the entrance. So the entrance looks like. The kitchen is so big, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I already made it, but it's so big. I don't even know where I'm gonna put the house. It's gonna be a very 3 feet, like a big house. So yeah. And bye guys. I hope you enjoyed it.